All right, good afternoon, traders. It is October 16th, 2023. We're doing the market wrap up with John Carrigan, the BYOB moderator for the BYOB trading room. So let's go look at the markets. So we got SPY today making a higher low and a higher high. Nice move on the SPY. So SPY just turned that hourly uptrend into a daily uptrend by creating that higher low right there. So SPY now transitioning into that daily uptrend right there just by putting in that higher low and recovering well over 50% of that drawdown right through there. So SPY up into there. So SPY on a 3-day chart, someone in the room, kudos to whoever it was. I can't remember their name right now. I think it was, see if I can find out who it was. I think it was John. Jon, yeah. Was looking at it for the 3-day MMRP. So possible 3-day MMRP setting up on SPY. Notice we break through resistance right here. You got the pullback, first price advancement candle right there. So let's take a look at QQQ. It's locking up on me. Here we go. A little slow today. All right, here's QQQ on the daily chart. An inside day, really. Higher low, lower high. QQQ. Let's rerun that. Inside day, higher low, lower high. Still in a daily uptrend here. QQQ. Higher lows, higher highs. Created another higher low. SMH. Higher low, higher high, still in a daily uptrend, creating possibly the next higher low on the daily chart. Nice move for SMH. Pretty slick. IWM on the daily chart, producing a higher low and a higher high. Still no uptrend to report other than maybe a 15-minute uptrend. Still no higher low yet, unless you want to count that. So no uptrend, maybe a 15 right there. That's about it. Diamond Dow on the daily chart, in a daily uptrend now, producing the higher low. So Diamond Dow now in a daily uptrend with a higher low and producing the higher high. So nice transition on the Diamond Dow right there. Still got a neckline to cross over here, so we'll see how that works out as we approach that neckline for Diamond Dow. FNGU, higher low, higher high, creating another higher low and up near 50% mark. Let's see what the pullback looks like with the quad lines. Not quite able to hold the midpoint, but closing and leaning right on the midpoint. So inside day for FNGU, not completely across out of the gate here. You can see we got a downtrend line and we're still stuck with price action right on that downtrend line. So still not clear yet on FNGU, but we do like the higher lows and the higher highs. Same here with the higher low and leaning on the midpoint. So we'll see how they do tomorrow. So there's FNGU. Let's take a look at transports. Transports, higher low, higher high. Almost a bullish engulfing compared to Friday's candle. Got this downtrend line. They're dealing with it. So looks like they may transition over the top of it. We'll see what happens. Still a little bit more work. Price action still tied to it. Body is crossing it. So maybe tomorrow we can have a clean candle over this downtrend line. No uptrend to report except maybe a 15-minute uptrend. Yeah, a little higher low here and a higher high. So not much happening right now. So got a higher high and a higher low. Just a 15-minute uptrend on the IYT XLF. On the daily chart, we have a higher low and a higher high. So nice transition from the XLF. So we got a few more daily uptrends coming into the mix here. And I think those big banks, those large cap bank earnings really helped turn the XLF around. So nice move in the XLF. Kind of looks like they had a good idea that this is where it was going anyways. You can see the premature accumulation. It's almost as if they knew, those dirty guys. XLF right there. Silver and gold. All right, silver is still in a downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. Although it is challenging this trend line right through here. Gold. Gold trying to challenge the extended trend line here. See if I can get that to extend right. You can see there making lower highs and lower lows, trying to challenge that downtrend line right now. So gold back up into the consolidation pennant right through there. So nice move for gold. And USO, crude oil. Crude oil has a nice inside day right through here. Higher low, lower high. Still in a daily uptrend with higher lows and higher highs. UNG pulled back today right to the top of minor support. I picked some UNG up right here on minor support. UNG in an uptrend with higher lows and higher highs on the daily chart. So here's UNG with a new daily uptrend. And let's take a look at the dollar, if I can find that real quick. See what the dollar's doing. All right, see if I can get this over there. Yep. So here's the dollar putting in a higher low, bouncing off of minor support right here. Not quite made it back up to the top. Just consolidating right now between 107.30 and 105.50. So dollar's just consolidating. Economic calendar. The big one is noon on Thursday, Jerome Powell speaks, so we'll see what's going to happen then. I think the markets are going to go a little bit berserk on Thursday at noon. We'll see what happens. Retail sales tomorrow, industrial production tomorrow as well. Earnings. Schwab reported this morning, I didn't check it out, but 93 billion. So I'm sure it did pretty good. We'll see what happens here. Let's just go take a peek. I guess we're not going to take a peek. And let's look at earnings for tomorrow. Big ones, Johnson & Johnson, 407 billion. Bank of America, 212 billion. Lockheed Martin, I don't think it'll really matter what they report. We got war breaking out in the Middle East, so it doesn't really matter if they do crap. I think they're still going to be in favor. Goldman Sachs, 101 billion. Prologis, 101 billion. America Mobile, 53 billion. So some more big cap stocks reporting tomorrow morning before the open. Could see some more lifts. We'll see what happens. For stocks today, let's see if I can get it to work. It's not going to work for me. So that's going to be it. I'll see everybody. I come in every morning at noon. No, excuse me, at 8 o'clock and do the morning market conditions and analysis. So I'll see everybody tomorrow at 8. And then I will render the recording and get it out on YouTube for all the people out there in YouTube land. I want to thank everyone for being here today. Hope you had a wonderful day. We'll see everybody tomorrow at 8.